Hi, this is Dr. Volshteyn, and I wanted to talk about more advanced techniques of gynecomastia surgery, like Vaser liposuction. Vaser, in contrast to laser, is an ultrasound-based technology. And what it does is when we touch with a laser probe to the fatty tissue, it turns into buttermilk. So that's most of the time when you see on the internet, that's what the Vaser does. The great thing about Vaser is that it allows us a very gentle removal of the fat without damage to the connective tissues between the muscle and the skin. Laser, it burns everything, so it doesn't give us the same degree of gentleness when we're dealing with gynecomastia patients. The next step in using Vaser, some people call it high-def Vaser, I call it chest wall sculpting, but in principle it's the same thing. Most surgeons, when they use Vaser or liposuction technology of other kind, they try to create an evenly designed flap that covers the muscle of the chest wall. So that's a traditional goal. When we step back and try to use more of an artful way of chest wall sculpting, we understand that the thickness of the flap may not be even across everywhere. It'll be thinner here, a little bit thicker here, even more thick on the bottom, creating that squared shape look of our chest walls. So utilizing the Vaser technology in a more artful way, that's what we call chest wall sculpting, and it's different from the traditional Vaser liposuction. So with chest wall sculpting, what we do is we follow the contour of the muscle and follow the traditional parameters of beauty to make sure that we remove more fatty tissue in some areas and leave a little extra in the others in order to create more of a balanced and more of the chiseled look to the chest wall. If we go on the other end of the spectrum, overly aggressive even removal creates more of a skeletonized look. So the Vaser-based chest wall sculpting is one of the latest and more advanced techniques of gynecomastia surgery. Most surgeons, even those who do use Vaser technology, do not use Vaser sculpting method because it's really very different from what we're taught in school, so to speak. So if you're on our website, if you want to make an appointment, feel free to give us a call. You will find the number below. Thank you very much.